Hello, hello! Kamusta ang lahat? How's everyone? So, another video again, guys. Ito, the beautiful orchids, flower. They're real, guys. So, let's go! Samahan ninyo ko mamasyal sa Grand Palace. So, guys, this is a beautiful and amazing views. Before you enter in this area, alam nyo guys, kailangan magsuot tayo ng long pants. Kung hindi napaka stricto nila. Kailangan nakatago yung before you magpunta rito guys. Mag-research muna kayo guys. So my experience is we need to wear long pants. It's so hot that day that we went to visit to see this Grand Palace. Experience na ma-experience mo ba na makita ang mga to, but the only I can see ay ipapakita ko lang sa inyo dahil mahirap ipaliwanag at dahil sa sobrang init, then hindi mo makita dahil siksikan ng mga tao. So ang may kita ko lang sa inyo ay mga nakikita ko sa paligid. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain lahat to. So, the only thing is just keep watching, and if you wanna see this place, just research so you know what to do. We don't have a clue either. So, ang nangyari ay last minutes na nag-research kami na kailangan namin magsuot ng long pants, and then of course kailangan namin tanggalin ng shoes. We don't have a clue na kailangan tanggalin ng shoes kasi hindi ka pwede pumasok sa temple na to na naka-shoes ka. They're very strict guys. And also na hindi pwedeng you're not allowed to take a photo or video, so you need to turn off your video and respectful ba. So enjoy watching guys. Ito lang ang alam ko na i-share sa inyo. Of course, ang hilig ko mag-photoshoot, of course, ayan. At ipakita lang ang mga nakikita ko sa paligid. Enjoy watching guys. Sobrang init, sobrang daming tao, sobrang siksikan. So, if you planning to come and visit here, don't bring your child. Kasi mahihirapan talaga sila. Just bring yourself if you want to see this one. And when you kids are growing, then take them there. Kasi napakahirap. Kasi sa sobrang maraming tao. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, kung hindi mo alam kung saan ka magpapapicture, dahil once na magpapicture ka guys, ay nandyan lahat sila, wala silang pakialam kung nagkumuha ka ng picture, basta dadaan sila sa harapan mo. Ito nga mga experience ko dito guys. But don't forget, it's amazing to see, amazing experience to visit. Napakaganda, parang hindi mo ba ma-explain ng sarili mo na nakarating ka dito. So, if you guys go, just go, enjoy, and respectful their culture. So, ayan, napakaganda guys. Hindi ko ba makakalimutan itong experience na to. So, it's amazing. It's my first time to come to Thailand. And of course, and thanks for my hubby that she take me here. So it's a good experience na makita mo this type of history in Thailand. Grand Palace, beautiful. So of course, mahilig ako mag-photo para ma-experience ba at na masabi ko sa sarili ko na nakarating ako dito sa lugar na to. So ayan guys, thank you for watching, and ito lang ang masishare ko sa inyo. Just enjoy and have fun, and don't forget, respect the culture. Ayan lang masasabi ko guys. Ayan guys, so napakaraming tao. So pag pumunta kayo dyan guys ay kailangan mahabang pasensya ninyo dahil puro siksikan. Especially nung pumasok kami dun sa temple, guys. Siksikan talaga. Parang naghahalikan at naghahag na kayo sa isa't isa. So, just be patient. Kapag pumunta kayo dito, walang mainit ang ulo. Enjoy ang visit. So, ang ganda ng masasabi ko, guys. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ipaliwanag sa inyo dahil wala akong booklet, wala akong alam kung saan ako patutungo, hindi ko rin alam kung saan, anong mga ibig sabihin mga to. So, just watch and enjoy it. So, yan lang ang masasabi ko, guys. So, if you guys you wanna know about the Grand Palace, mag-research na lang, guys. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ipaliwanag sa inyo. Basta, for my experience is I'm having fun, enjoy it, and then it's amazing to see. For I will be thinking about this the rest of my life because I never been this type of history. I've been in Egypt, but this at least I experienced to see this Grand Palace. Grand Palace. So, ayan, guys. Basta, enjoy na lang kayo dyan. Pasensya na kayo. I don't have a clue how to explain it, but it's amazing. Amazing to see and experience. So, ayan, guys, tapos na yung tour namin dun sa sa Grand Palace. So, ito ata yung palace ng ng bahay ng King and Queen. Ito yung bahay nila. So, napakaganda, napakalawak. So, ayan, guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aking adventure. Thank you very much for watching and support my channel, and God bless us all. Bye-bye.